Hello everyone, we use stickers to increase the strength of the aircraft. Before pasting, please refer to the sticker number illustration. First, remove the connecting rods of the two ailerons. After the stickers are applied, restore them to their original positions. Remove the number 1 sticker and attach it to the right wing spar. Find a hard card and make sure the sticker and the foam are tightly adhered together. Remove the number 2 sticker and reinforce the main beam and leading edge of the right wing. Pay attention to the folding position. Glue from the middle to both sides. Press the stickers flat with the cards. Remove the number 3 sticker and attach it to the upper surface of the right wing. Press it flat. Remove the number 4 sticker and attach it to the upper surface of the right aileron. Remove the number 5 sticker and attach it to the underside of the right aileron. The left wing is handled in the same way. First, remove the left aileron linkage to facilitate the application of the sticker. Remove the number 6 sticker and attach it to the underside of the secondary beam of the left wing. Remove the 7th sticker and attach it to the main beam and leading edge of the left wing. Start applying the adhesive from the center and spread it outwards, trying to keep it as flat as possible. Remove the 8th sticker and stick it on the upper surface of the left wing. Remove the 9th sticker and stick it on the upper surface of the left aileron. Remove the 10th sticker and stick it on the underside of the left aileron. After the stickers are stuck on, restore the servo linkage. Remove sticker number 11 and stick it on the compartment cover. Remove the 13th sticker and attach it to the leading edge of the right horizontal tail. Remove the 12th sticker and attach it to the upper surface of the right horizontal tail fin. Remove the 14th sticker and attach it to the underside of the right horizontal tail surface. Remove the 15th sticker and stick it on the upper surface of the left horizontal tail fin. Remove the 16th sticker and stick it on the leading edge of the left horizontal tail. Remove sticker number 17 and attach it to the underside of the left horizontal tail surface. Remove the 18th sticker and stick it on the tail rudder surface. Remove the 19th sticker and stick it to the front edge of the tail fin. Remove the 20th sticker and stick it on the tail rudder surface. Next, proceed to the right side of the cabin. First, attach the middle line slot cover. Carbon tube baffle sticker. Install the rear line slot cover plate. Install the headline cable tray cover. On the left side of the cabin, it is done in the same way. Attach the middle line slot cover plate. Attach the tail section cable tray cover. Install the headline cable tray cover. Next, attach the left and right side panels inside the machine head compartment. We attach handles to the cartons for easier transportation. First, we cut oval-shaped openings on the side of the cartons, and then press and clamp the cardboard on both sides. Another one, and it's the same method.